Okay, so hi everyone. This will be a really quick video, but I think it's a really crucial problem when you are using a PEI bed, especially one like I am. First tip, don't use your fingers because they leave basically fat stains or, yeah, basically fat stains. But the problem I want to address is bad layer adhesion. First layer adhesion, to be specific. You might have saw it this second as I did it. But I want you to focus on the center of the build plate. It's hard to see on camera, but I hope you can see that looking at the angle of the light, you can see that it's moving. This is particularly easy to stumble upon if you're the same as me and you're not using a magnetic sheet, because it was a lot cheaper to buy the bed without it. But the thing is, because of the material, the metal sheet that's covered in the PI, and because it's not magnetically being held together to the build plate, it actually has a little bit of flex. It's not going to damage your prints, but you should worry about this if you're also using a CR touch or any kind of BL touch or basically any kind of bed probe, because just now I started to print and it was like almost 2-3 millimeters too high, just because at the starting point where it measured, it went here, everything was okay, and when I actually started printing, it went down as the nozzle went closer to it, and I got bad first layer adhesion. So yeah, you should basically try and catch things like this. One thing how you could kind of solve it, maybe use some kind of adhesive to adhere the PEI plate to the build plate, but I don't think that's going to be a really great option. The other thing is just tweaking the Z offset. If you constantly know that it's pushing up at like constant 1-2 millimeters, you can just use the Z offset for that, but or just don't cheap out and buy a magnetic build plate sticker, and I believe it should fix the problem, because I asked my friend who has the magnetic build plate and he has never stumbled upon this. So yeah, that's it for now, and yeah, good luck. Also, quick tip, if you do happen to get the fat stains from your fingers, quick and easy way to do it without removing the whole bed is I usually take just a window cleaner, just spray it on and use a tissue to clean it out, and it does wonders. The layer adhesion after that is really something else. So yeah, that's it for me, and good luck with your prints.